We've been getting a lot of questions on the RTS website on panel preparation with limited access. Most of the time these are on outer uniside pieces where reinforcement is hidden behind it, very tight to that outer panel, and it's difficult to get in there to prep it. Sometimes there's foam in the way, sometimes it's just the E-coat, but with that limited access it is a challenge. So unfortunately there is no simple answer other than you have to get creative. Many times in the training videos we'll show you how to use a piece of metal bent to the contour of the reinforcement to protect it. So we're not removing any E-coats or any other coatings that we don't intend to remove, and only on that panel. And this is extremely critical when it comes to adhesive bonded joints or welded joints, so we don't have contaminants in our weld, or that adhesive bonded joint to make sure we have that prepped properly, because if we don't, there's no way we can ensure a complete, safe, and quality repair.